Okay, so a little thing that I noticed on the C6, I'll put it a ding here. There is a gap just right behind that fender, and that will allow the rocks to pile up right here, and then it will slowly rub on your coating or your painting and will damage it. So all you need to do, you have a little 7mm screw right here. You just need to remove that and then just pop out the fender. It's pretty easy. Then I use some compressed air. And you can pull that apart, and here we go. So you're gonna be wondering where I'm driving. Yes, I'm using some dirt road once in a while. No, it's the accumulation from the road and everything. All the gravels are going in there and it's piling up, and it's so I'm going to use some compressed air. Blow that. Try to get the maximum with air, without pulling, because it will keep on rubbing. So okay, yeah, check on yours, you'll be surprised. Got one of my friends that got a same C6, a nice blue one. So anyway, he has the same issue. It's stimulating that stuff. Okay, hopefully it helps you. Thanks, guys. Here we go, cleaned a little bit. This is what I extracted on that side. Outstanding. It feels like you've been using that as a tractor. It's outstanding. But all that, a lot of them are just falling through, and the biggest one stays stuck, and basically with vibration it's getting pinched and it's rubbing on that. So it is inside, but it's going all the way to the outside. So you might want to take a look at it. It's a quick 5 minutes. I wanted to kind of plug that area so nothing is getting back inside. However, there may have a reason for that, and I'm wondering if there is some kind of airflow going on the tire right here. So I'm pretty sure it was done on purpose. So anyway, hope it helps you guys.